Hi everybody, what's up? Today I want to make a quick review on the B model of the LEGO Technic set 8459. The A model is the Formula 1 Silver Champion, and the B model, like you see, is a racing truck. It's 42 cm long, 27 cm wide and 24 cm high. While steering, also the steering wheel in the cabin is moving. Each wheel has an independent suspension. It has a trailer hitch. It has a 10-cylinder motor, and when the truck is driving, the cylinders are moving. And like expected in a LEGO Technic model, we have a differential. Let me show you the model from behind to show you the last feature. When you pull this little trigger, the cabin moves forward. I think it's one of the best B models that LEGO Technic ever made. What do you think about it?